So right now we are with Jasjeet. Jasjeet is part of the sales team of Soba, and he is managing Soba Crescent. He's going to tell us more about this particular development. He will show us around how the views are going to look like. So I with Jasjeet, we both are going to break down this particular product. Let's go. So Jasjeet, quickly we will try to understand how many acres this development is.
So this is in total 12 acres.
12 acres. Before we get into the product, I just wanted to understand the ecosystem.
So the best thing is of this land bank, this is just next to a developed area. Golf course extension road, we all know about that. So while you drive down, you come to an end where just next to you is the ITSZ land that is spread across more than 200 acres.
Okay.
Just across this road, sir, I was referring about this whole area.
Yep.
That is that ITSZ land.
Tata ka SEZ hai.
That is right, so the first one is Tata IT Park, the second one is International Tech Park.
Capital land ka.
Right, sir. Right, sir. Just in back of that, we have the IDEO's IT Park.
Yep. So, what is the unique about this particular site? Okay, it's on Golf Course Extension Road in Sector 63A. You have a lot of IT action here. What is another thing that is unique for this particular site as?
So basically, the best part of IT, like having a land bank that is next to IT SEZ land is a good job opportunities would be coming up next to you. A category, white collar jobs would be next to you, sir. The benefit of that is good rental, good lease, good
Capital appreciation.
That is right, sir. That is one of the things.
So, as Jasjeet wanted to say that the captive audience is already in front of this particular product, this will automatically give a better capital appreciation and the rental yield opportunities, because all these ITES companies, those are the MNCs, those are operational here. The salaries, or I can say the people who earn here is great, which can afford these kind of housing easily. Any other uniqueness about this particular site you
Yes,
want to
sir.
state?
So I would like to tell you that we are just next to Aravali Range. It is unreserved Aravali Range, sir. That is just next to you, and we can see the high-rise vertically aligned floors over here.
Yeah.
So you have a direct view towards the Aravali.
So, if you want to tell us where the Aravlis are.
Surely, sir.
Right now, this is the road in front of your product.
That is right, sir. At present, we are standing over here. So through the compass, would like to tell you that this side is east, where my major balconies are. Starting from the east towards the south, this is all Aravali Range, sir, going towards the west.
Okay. Now, see, Sector 63A is the closest to Aravali Hills. Whether we talk about Soba or any other development that lies in Sector 63A, you will have Aravali Greens, Aravali Hills. There's not going to be any construction in that particular area, because as per the government bylaws, you can't build anything in those particular areas. So being in these kind of developments, Soba Crescent, you're going to have a right mix of commercial, where you have your IT, ITES, SEZ, where the job opportunities are there, a lot of F&B action is going to be there, and at the same time, Aravali's का view आपको मिलेगा अपने apartment के अंदर. Now, we have discussed about the site, the uniqueness, the key pointers of this particular site. Now we are going to discuss about the product. Quickly, Jasjeet, thoda product ko explain if you can do us.
Sure, sir. So before the product, would like to start with the land bank area, sir. We have in total 12 acres, and this is a clear-cut land parcel. By that, I mean to say is, my frontage is on a 60-meter proposed road that will have a 12 meters of service road, and we can see the green belt over here as well.
Absolutely.
Moving ahead, sir, we have two entries and exit to this land bank area. The first one is from this point, that is 24 meters. So I was referring about this entrance. Purposely, we have planned, when you enter the property, you will see the massive clubhouse within the Central Plaza area. So this is my podium green, sir.
I understand. Now the clubhouse, as I mentioned, it's going to be approximately around 75 to 80,000 square feet. Plus, there's going to be a 4 acres of sports arena. That's a key USP of this particular product. We will also show you that. First, we are going to discuss further on this particular product.
We have designed it in a way, sir. The outer periphery is the area where the vehicular movement would be. That will be connected to the ramps, that will connect it to the basement level. We are offering 3 levels of basement. Within the property, this is the Central Plaza area where all the amenities would be. That includes an Olympic standard swimming pool. Next to that, we have a kids pool area. On the other side of the pool, we have the sun decks and the jetty area, sir. It is like 50% water, 50% the deck, and you can enjoy your morning breakfast over there.
Okay.
and it will be connected to the club's kitchen.
Now there are going to be 3 basements, which is going to service the internal car parkings of the residents. Now coming on to the height of this particular building, kitna floors ka
So
hai?
we have planned it in a way. It is a low density preposition.
Mhm.
In this 12 acres, only 4 towers, and these are ground plus 42 floors.
Okay, and these are going to have 4 apartments to a floor.
You are right, sir. 4 to the core, and we are offering 7 lifts to take care of the to and fro movement.
So now, as you can see on the model, there are only 2 towers that has been shown, but there is going to be 4 towers. So the company has taken the RERA of 2 towers right now.
So this is the tower. This is tower number 4 over here. Then this is the tower number 3. Out of 4, these are the 2 towers that we have launched, and the upcoming towers would be placed over here. This is tower number 2. This is the footprint of that, and over here would be tower number 1.
So very well positioned towers, as you can see. Majority of the inventories are going to face towards Ravli's, and the 50% are going to face towards the city skyline. Now, very important thing, as I mentioned, that it's going to have 4 acres of sports arena. So where that particular sports arena is, Jasjeet, if you want to tell us.
Surely, sir. So it is under the designing. So this is planned over here, sir.
Okay.
In this 4 acres of land bank, we have planned the sports arena.
Okay. Why this is separate from the main area?
So we got A category land over here, and we know the dynamics of this micro market, that over here getting a good quality land. By that I mean to say is a land where there is no high tension wires, there's no underground piping. You have main entrance from a main service road of the 60-meter road. It is quite rare to catch.
Yeah.
We were getting this land bank, sir. So this only setback was that we had 2 land patches, and the distance between them is not more than 60 meters.
Okay.
So we have designed it in a way, all the residential part is planned over here. That includes my 430 meters of walking trail, the central plaza area, and the amenities that I have just covered. Plus the clubhouse, which would have amenities like all-day dine-in, restaurant, juice bar, would be and the kids play area, not to forget. Indoor and outdoor would be over here, sir. Only for the sports arcade, that would be, we are planning to come up with the state-of-art amenities. For that, you have to travel just less than 60 meters over here, sir.
Okay. Now, as I'm able to understand that this particular area is going to have all the residences and the clubhouse where all the amenities are going to be positioned.
Right.
The active amenities are going to be slightly separate, where you're going to have your sports amenities, that is approximately 60-meter walk from the second gate. I can say 60-meter walk from the clubhouse to this particular area, and this is going to have all the sports amenities, as we can talk about. The sports amenities like a football ground, a cricket ground, lawn tennis courts, badminton courts, indoor squash courts. All these amenities are going to be part of it. The major focus of this particular product is on the sports amenities. Now the 4 acres of sports amenities are not heard anywhere else. This is the first of a kind where the 4 acres of sports arena is being bought within the particular product. Now let's talk about the areas of the apartment that the company is selling right now, and what kind of price points we are talking about, and not to forget the specification of the apartments.
So we have designed it in a way, sir. So we have 2,277 square feet, that is a 3-bedroom residencies. Then we have a 4-bed, that is 2,669 square feet, sir. And the bigger size 4-bedroom with the domestic help, that is 2,966 square feet.
Again, your 3 BHK is going to be?
So that is 2,277 square feet.
2,277 square feet for a 3 BHK. The 4 BHKs are going to be of what size?
So starting from 2,669.47 square feet and goes up to 2,966.67 square feet.
So approximately around 2,700 and 3,000 square feet that we are talking about. So every apartment is going to get how many parkings?
So as a standard with the 3-bedroom, we are offering 2 car parks, and with the bigger size 4-bedroom, that is 2,900 square feet, and we'll be offering 3 car parks.
Okay. Your ground floor lobby is going to be double height.
That is right. So I would like to show you over the here. So we have created the outer elevation of that from here. So this is the entrance point of my tower, sir. This is a double heighted entrance lobby, fully air conditioned it would be.
Okay. Now when we talk about the clubhouse again, now the clubhouse is going to be approximately around 75 to 80,000 square feet. So this is going to have all the amenities that we can talk about. The company, as it quotes, it's going to be a 5-star clubhouse with the restaurant, banquet, swimming pool, indoor swimming pool, and all other amenities we can talk about which a 5-star clubhouse have, and plus the sports amenities. Now, as you can see, the 2 towers have been launched till now. Now, these inventories are majorly facing towards the Aravlis. और इसी के साथ ये जो अब पार्टीशन जो आया है, ये दोनों अगर हम देख रहे हैं कि ये स्पोर्ट्स अमेनिटीज इधर चली गई है, 60 मीटर दूर चली गई, तो बीच में एक टावर पड़ता है, दैट इज पारस सीटाडाइन. So that is service apartments from Citadines, and there's a commercial on the ground floor for the shops or the F&B that has been opened yet. Now, coming on back to the apartments. Now, let's discuss about the placement of these apartments. Now, the 3,000 square feet are going to be these 2 units where this pointer is right now. As we talk about the compass here is north, south, east and west. अगर आप इसको देखेंगे, so the internal balconies, when we talk about if you're buying an apartment which is facing towards inside, your balconies are either going to face towards south or towards east. And when you're buying a city facing balconies, your balconies are facing towards west or towards north.
So if you allow me, I would like to explain it.
Yeah.
So we have purposely designed it in a way that we have placed our 277 square feet over here, sir. The second availability in the wing is over here, sir. This is Tower 4, wing number 3, where my 277 square feet is available. We have designed it in a way that you will have the view of Aravlis that is spread across my south over here. Addition to that, while sitting in your balcony, while sitting in your living and dining, you'll have the view of the city. Next to me is the city line. Plus, when you will step out in your balcony, you can enjoy the Aravli view that is just next to you in the south part over here. The third availability in the wing 4 in Tower 3, it is over here. Of the same size, that is 277 square feet. Similarly, we have designed it in a way that you have a proper city view that is spread across the balconies over here. And in addition to that, towards the left, we have the ITSEZ land where you will have the view. The next size, that is 2669 square feet. We have again 3 options in the wings. Let's start with the tower number 4, wing number 1. It is over here. The second option is on the other side of the tower, that is wing number 4, that will have a facing of city plus the Aravlis. And the third option is over here in the tower number 3, wing number 3, that will give you a view of city plus the ITSEZ land and the Aravlis on the other side. The biggest size available in this society, in this project, is available over here, which will be having the balconies facing towards the south, a beautifully curated internal area that would be the central plaza and the podium greens that they'll see. The second option would be facing towards the Aravlis.
Now, after discussing this on the model, I think we would be clear more about this particular product. Now we will move towards the master planning on the brochure, on the paper, and we will try to understand these placements. And at the same time, we will also discuss about the specifications. Now we are standing in front of the master plan. 12 acres of development, as we stated earlier. We have been on the model पे जसजीत ने majorly explain कर दिया, लेकिन मुझे लग रहा है कि यहाँ पे explanation better हो सकता है. This is the road जहाँ से हम अंदर आए थे. अभी we are standing here जहाँ पे future expansion लिखा हुआ है. यहाँ पे नया एक टावर आएगा. Phase 2, ये Phase 3 के अंदर count होगा. Phase 2, again another tower that is going to come. कंपनी ने अभी टावर 3, टावर 4 लॉन्च करे हुए हैं. टावर 1 is going to be this one, टावर 2 is going to be this one. This whole is the club house जो हमने मॉडल के अंदर एक्सप्लेन किया था. It's going to be approximately 75,000 to 80,000 square feet. अब ये पूरा का पूरा जो Phase 4 फ्यूचर एक्सपेंशन लिखा हुआ है प्लस द कम्युनिटी फैसिलिटी, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 4 acres ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स arena. अब आप जब यहाँ से, as we stated earlier, that there is going to be a 2 entrance to this particular property. One entrance is going to be from here. The second entrance is going to be from here. There are going to be 3 basements. Now ये जो entrance है, जैसे ही आप enter करते हो तो आपको you see the scale of the clubhouse. ठीक है, it's going to give you a 5-star feel. And there's going to be a water bodies, a lot of greenery, manicured greenery that's going to be done by the developer. आप इधर से 60 मीटर, मतलब it's going to be a walking distance, a very small distance, 60 meter from here. You have the sports arena. Approximately 8 acres के अंदर यहाँ पे पूरा का पूरा डेवलपमेंट करा हुआ है, जहाँ पे आपके रेजिडेंसेस आ रहे हैं, अपार्टमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, और ये 4 एकड़ के अंदर पूरा स्पोर्ट्स में. अब ये वाली रोड है इसी के सामने, दिस इज 60 मीटर वाइड रोड। ये पूरा का पूरा एरिया जो है यहाँ पे, दिस ऑल इज अरावलीज, और इसके राइट अपोजिट ही IT ESAC Z है। नाउ क्विकली आई जस्ट वांटेड टू एक्सप्लेन यू कि कौन से यूनिट्स यहाँ पे 4 BHK के हैं, कौन से यूनिट्स 3 BHK के हैं। नाउ if Jazid, you can
Surely,
take
sir.
us.
Surely, sir. So, just to start with the biggest size that we have, that is 2900 square feet, 2966.
We take it as 3000 square feet, 2966.
Less
to be
than, less
precise.
than, yeah, less than 3000 square feet.
3000 square feet को state में कर रहा हूँ, so that we are able to easily understand it.
So
वो कौन
it is available over here, sir. In these two wings, so we start from the right hand side when we enter the tower, from the tower front. This is calculated as the wing 1. 1 and 2 are the biggest size, that is less than 3000 square feet, 2966. The third wing over here, that is one size smaller to the biggest one, that is 2669 square feet.
Again a 4 BHK.
Yeah, again a 4-bedroom with a powder room. The last size, the first size of 3-bedroom, that is 2277 square feet. Again, जैसे सर कहते हैं 2300 से थोड़ा सा छोटा।
तो अगर मैं टावर 3 को एक्सप्लेन करूं तो ये दोनों जो यूनिट्स है विच इज फेसिंग टुवर्ड्स द क्लब, दैट इज द 4 BHK इन्वेंटरीज ऑफ बिगर साइज। ये वाला जो इन्वेंटरी है ऑन द सिटी फेसिंग साइड का जो है, one of the inventories of smaller 4 BHK, that is approximately 2700 square feet, and the third one is 3 BHK around 2300 square feet. तो ये टावर 3 का प्लेसमेंट हो गया टावर्स का। Now let's talk about tower 4.
So over here, starting with the wing number 1, this is 4-bedroom, that is 2669 square feet. The wing number 2 is 2277. Wing 3 is again 2277 square feet, less than 2300. And the 4 wing is 2669, 4-bedroom.
इसको और इजीली मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ। तो टावर 4 को अगर हम बीच में से काट देते हैं तो ये दो राइट साइड के जो दोनों अपार्टमेंट्स हैं, आगे और पीछे के दोनों 4 BHKs हैं, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 2700 स्क्वायर फीट। ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ये दोनों जो अपार्टमेंट्स हैं, दीज आर 3 BHKs, अप्रोक्सीमेटली अराउंड 2300 स्क्वायर फीट। कंपास इज हियर। जब हम देखते हैं नॉर्थ इज दिस साइड, साउथ इस साइड है, ईस्ट यहाँ पे पड़ता है और वेस्ट यहाँ पे पड़ता है। तो अकॉर्डिंगली यू विल बी एबल टू we will be able, if you want to understand this master plan in a better way, we can explain you over the call and make you understand how the things are. Even जो layouts हैं, जो efficiency of this project is 58%, that is best in its segment. Because जब हम और products के साथ compare करते हैं तो average 55-56% के आसपास the market operates, but this particular product is operating at a 58% carpet efficiency. लेकिन जब हम usable efficiency की बात करते हैं, it operates at 67%. हम जो दो projects के साथ compare करने वाले हैं, उनकी जो usable efficiency है, उनके पास balcony spaces थोड़े से उन्होंने ज़्यादा रखे हैं, तो वो 70-71% के आसपास operate करते हैं. So this was majorly about this particular product. If you want to see the layouts and everything, I think it would be better that personally हम आपको भेजें और you will be able to understand. Over the call we will be able to explain every individual floor plan and what they are facing is. Now quickly let's try to understand the contractor, the architect, जो भी इनके consultants हैं, let's try to understand. So Jasjeet, who's the construction partner?
So we do our construction by ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
We are known for that, sir.
Mm-hmm.
We are the only brand available in India, sir, that works on backward integration module. Now
Mm-hmm.
that I mean to say is, sir, from the procurement, planning, and execution, everything is in-house. हम
Okay.
कुछ भी outsource नहीं करते.
Uh-huh.
In fact, this table has been constructed in my own factory.
Okay, now so backward integration पे focus रहता है Sobha ka. They have been discussed as a case study in Harvard Business School also, and all the construction, all the material, it is being built in-house and used in the construction of this particular development. So the contractor is Sobha itself.
Right.
Now coming on to the architect.
So everything is in-house. In
Okay.
every development of Shobha, sir,
Okay.
from the planning, procurement, execution, everything is in-house. Sir, architect से लेकर जो finishing करेंगे, आर्किटेक्ट्स प्लान करेंगे, जो फिनिशिंग करेंगे, वर्कफोर्स वो भी शोभा के पेरोल पे है.
Everything from the workforce that is there on ground to the people who make the architectural drawings, the interior work, designing and everything, that is all being done by Sobha. Sobha has delivered approximately around 585 projects across globe, including the contractual work. They have been doing a lot of work for other developers or other companies. Now they are being known as a renowned developer of India with a listing in a stock market.
So Post would like to show you at one of our developments. Post independence, this is one of the biggest monarchical structure available in India. This is Infosys Global Education Center 2 in Mysore. This has been constructed by Sobha.
So this is a kind of quality of kind of design language that this particular developer bring into this particular segment. Now we will quickly discuss about the pricing of this particular product. So what is the pricing, Jasjeet, at present?
So it is 24,999 plus PLC and GST.
So that is
IBMS.
25,000 rupees plus PLC. PLC is totally dependent on the inventory that you are taking. कहाँ से लेके कहाँ तक PLC जाती है?
So we have 0 PLC units available with us, and that goes up to 2250 square feet.
0 PLC से लेके 2250 रुपए फुट तक की PLC जाती हैं. एवरेज आप ले लीजिए 700 से 1200 रुपए की रेंज के अंदर मेजरली आपको इन्वेंट्रीज 700 रुपए फुट 1200 रुपए फुट की रेंज में मिल जाती है. एंड हियर इज द पेमेंट प्लान. सो इन द फर्स्ट ईयर यू हैव टू पे 25%. Second year 15%, again to be paid in 2 tranches. It's going to be linked to the.
So it is very relaxed. I would like to brief you about it.
Okay.
So just to start with, it is a relaxed payment plan. We would request for 5% of the application money. Next to that, in total 90 days, we would request for 25%. जो मेरी first year के अंदर payment जाती है. Next year, that is 31st December 2027, my installment of 15% would be ready. So 2027 के ऑलमोस्ट एंड में दोबारा कर लेते हैं. सो माय नेक्स्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट इज एट 31st December 2027,
जो 1.5 साल के बाद आता है.
ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 साल. सो दैट इज 15%. इन 2028, linked to a construction milestone, I would request for 20% of installment. Again सर ये 2 ट्रांच में रहेगी, 10 and then with a gap 10%. In 2029, again 10 plus a 10. This would be connected to a construction milestone, and at the possession it would be 15 and 5. So after 4th year, last installment nearing the possession, it would be again 15 and 5%. We are planning our possession by 2030 end. So 2030 end.
2030 end. Though 2030 that we are talking about. 2030, the possession of this property is going to happen. All these tranches, all the payments that has been mentioned here, these are linked to the construction milestones. As the construction is going to get achieved, then these are going to get triggered. So now coming on to the ticket size, what is the cost going to be? The cost of 3 BHK.
So with the GST, my starting price is 5 crore 97 lakh rupees only.
Okay. So here for a 3 BHK Sobha project on Golf Course Extension Road, right next to ITES, right next to Aravli's, you're getting an apartment at 5.97 crores. That includes everything, including GST. Plus the PLCs, there's going to be a variation in the unit that you are taking. But the starting price would be 5.97 including GST. Now coming on to the 4 BHK. 4 BHK starts at?
So that is 7 crore 7 lakh rupees.
Okay.
7.07.
For a 2700 square
That
feet.
is right. So this includes the GST and the car park, EDC, IDC, rest everything is inclusive, excluding the PLC and IBMS.
Okay.
The biggest size, that is 2900 square feet, sir, 2966. It is starting from 7.78 crores.
Okay.
Plus the PLC and the GST.
GST is included.
Plus the PLC
and IBMS. Now 7.07 crores is going to be the price for 2700 square feet for BHK. It includes the GST, but PLC is going to be additional depending on the unit you are taking, and IBMS is going to be additional. The bigger 3000 square feet is going to be approximately 7.78 including GST plus the PLC and IBMS. So this is, I think, coming from Sobha, it's a decent price points. Here are the pricing distribution of the 3 categories. C1 is your 3 BHK.
2277 square feet. So these are my unit type code, starting from the C1, that is 2277 square feet. Like I was mentioning with the PLC, like I was mentioning with the GST, this is 5 crore 97 lakhs. The unit type B1, that is 2669 square feet, a 4-bed apartment. This is 7 crores. And A1, that is 2966. This is 7.78 crores.
Perfect. I think, and the PLCs are mentioned here. If you want to understand more about the PLC structure, the payment plan structure, obviously we are there to explain everything, every nitty gritty. Rest, you can connect with us. We can sit across the table, or we can have a call where we can give more insights about the product, and will help you in evaluating and analyzing your buying as per your finances and your family requirement. Herein, signing off, this is Saurabh Duggal from Homeworks India. I have experience of 20 years in real estate. I have worked with multiple A-grade developers at a leadership level. 4 years back, I started my own consulting company and would be happy to assist you in your home buying process.